the KXAN parking lot. I want to see you there. Let me show you what's going on with your forecast here. Radar showing some spotty to scattered showers working through parts of our area. Nothing severe, but there could be some pockets of lightning out there. Bastrop right now, you can see some showers and storms around you. General motion here is towards the north and west. So Austin, heads up, we can snag some of that rain if they hold together long enough. Also some spottier showers out towards Burnett County. And I can see a little bit of that rain trying to form here from our Horseshoe Bay Resort camera. You can see it looks like there's a little bit of some rain falling underneath those dark clouds, and obviously some of that wind still with the trees moving in the foreground. Man, is it hot. It would be nice to get a shower or storm where you are, because there's a little bit of some rain cooled air packed in there, but there's a whole lot more of those heat index values in the upper 90s to low 100s. So still hot, still very humid. Eventually we'll go to the mid 70s tonight with a south wind at 5 miles per hour. Tomorrow, go into the 90s, not quite as high as today's 97, but I'm more encouraged to see that rain change starting to creep up at 40%. So how do we get there? We'll put this into motion. At least the high resolution computer models are showing where the storms and showers are now. That gives me more confidence in what they're showing for the later part of tonight and tomorrow, which tonight looks quiet. Tomorrow, though, look at the clock here. Some of these showers and storms could come as early as midday and then continue to form showers and thunderstorms through your Saturday afternoon and evening before coverage comes down overnight. That said, I think Saturday tomorrow looks wetter than Sunday. 40% coverage Saturday. We'll drop that to 20% on Sunday. Highs will be in those mid 90s. But the rain chances continue Monday into Tuesday as well. There's actually a little disturbance rounding the bottom of that big old summertime heat dome that unfortunately is cooking our neighbors up in the northern plains. But we have that door open towards the Gulf, and it's bringing in a lot of moisture. We've got the lift. We've got the ingredients Monday, Tuesday. The one thing that could disrupt this, the dust, that Saharan dust plume. We've been highlighting this all week. It's still expected to make its way onshore, I would say sometime Monday, Tuesday, but we're really starting to notice it Wednesday, and I'm worried that some of this dry, dusty air up in the mid-levels could eat away at some of our rainfall potential. Not completely. I mean, I still think we've got enough moisture to squeeze out some rain, but we'll have to monitor those rain chances pretty closely Monday, Tuesday because of that Saharan dust plume. That said, rainfall potential still hovering around an inch for most of us over the next 5 to 6 days, but there will be pockets of more, and that's where that localized flood risk comes in, especially on Monday, Tuesday. Right now, both days hold a 1 out of 4 risk of flash flooding for all of central Texas, but again, it's just going to be those pockets of downpours we'll have to watch. So for tonight, mid 70s, still tracking some of those scattered showers and storms out there for the next few hours. Watch Saturday around midday to 8 p.m. Sunday, I would say a few spotty showers later in the day, and then Monday, Tuesday holding the best rain chance of the 7-day. Things do start to dry out middle of next week. Temperature is down to the lower 90s come Tuesday, Wednesday. They'll creep back up by Thursday.
All right, Kristen, thank